I'm here to give you some insight on what probate is and what you can expect and why your property is in probate. Hi, my name is Don Pelletier with the Don Pelletier Group, and I've personally been selling real estate for over 37 years right here in the greater San Diego area. This kind of thing can add a lot of stress to property owners, so let's alleviate that. So what is probate? Well, it's a legal process that is required to sell a property that is still in the name of the deceased person. When in probate, the court's going to get involved at various levels just depending on what the situation is. A person's going to be assigned to administer the estate, which may very well be you if you're watching this video. And that person is called the personal representative, or the PR for short. You can also expect there to be an estate attorney to help with this legal process, and know that there are some pretty substantial fees associated with completing a probate procedure. One of the biggest reasons an estate goes into probate as far as real property goes is the way the title was held. So the very best thing to do to avoid going into probate at all actually occurs before the owner passes away. By working with an estate attorney, you can avoid probate by putting all of your assets, including real property such as your home or any rental properties, into a trust. A common misconception though about probate is that people think that a will keeps property out of probate, and that is not at all true. What the will does allow is for the deceased to determine such things as who's going to receive what property, as well as who's going to be the executor of the will. This is much better than trying to sell the property intestate or without a will. If there's not a will, the state of California is going to determine the intestate succession. In other words, who receives the property that's left behind. So if you find yourself involved with a probate, just rest assured there are many resources available to help direct and smooth the process for you. Personally, with a wealth of experience from handling several hundred probates myself over many years, we're equipped here to help answer many of the questions that you may have, as well as become your resource to connect you with other vendors and service providers that are within our network and that you may need along the way. Continue to watch the other videos in my probate series for more detailed information, as well as some free downloads on probate. Also, be sure to seek the advice of a lawyer or an attorney who specializes in probate, as I am not one. I'm just here to help provide some information for you, and that's about it. I'm Don Pelletier, owner and broker at the Don Pelletier Group, and I've personally successfully sold over 2,200 homes throughout 37 years, and I guess it's over 67 different communities in all of greater San Diego. So please consider me a resource if you have any questions. I'm always happy to help you. And my cell number, by the way, is 858-336-1114. You can also visit us on our website at donpelletier.com. Thanks for watching my video, and please know we're here to help. Take care.